Hey guys, it's Cooking with Chris again. Okay, this isn't really cooking, but I am going to show you how to make one of my more recent favorite treats. This is one variation. I've done this a bunch of different ways. I haven't quite done it this exact way before, but this should be okay. This isn't healthy, but it's also not extremely. It shouldn't be extremely unhealthy. Okay, this really. It's about as tasty as a bowl of ice cream, and it really should be healthier than a bowl of ice cream. Okay, so this is pretty simple. We've got blueberries, we've got coconut milk, and we've got naked juice. This particular naked juice is the pina colada variety. So this is a brand new thing. Shake it up a little bit there. Bust it open. So what I do first is I mix the coconut milk. Usually I try to go for half and half if I can. So coconut milk and naked juice. So mix them up. The reason I try to go, the reason I mix it first is because you don't want to be mixing. So once you put, so you go about that high. This is a 16-ounce cup. You go about that high on the cup of blueberries. Once you do that, when you put the blueberries in, the whole point of this is it kind of slushies the liquid with the frozen blueberries. The blueberries just barely start to freeze the liquid. So once you dump the liquid in with the blueberries, it's kind of a pain in the butt to stir it, and you're going to make a mess. It's going to splash outside the cup. So the easiest way to do it, you mix your ingredients before. Let's see. Yeah, it's got the pina colada taste, but it's half coconut milk. I think this might even be kosher too for my kosher friends. Could be wrong, but maybe. And then we take the blueberries, cup provided by my friends at Bigfoot Java. So we put our frozen blueberries in the cup. And then, if I did that right, let's put a little more. I think I may have gotten it off. Let's put a little more coconut milk in. Still got a good taste. Dump that in the blueberries. And you want to go till the blueberries are just barely fully submerged. Drink the extra. Okay, that's pretty good. And what we have is, I don't even know what I'd call this. Whole blueberry slushy, I guess. So usually you want to wait. You'll feel it kind of start to firm up when you squeeze it. Right now it's pretty liquidy. Different liquids that I do this with. Slushy, more or less. Some stuff freezes quicker and easier. Other stuff doesn't. I haven't ever made it with naked juice before. Usually, actually, what I've been doing, I'll do another one where I show it. What I've been doing for holiday season is eggnog, coconut milk, and eggnog and coconut milk actually accentuate each other really well from what I've found. But I do eggnog and coconut milk, or sometimes I'll actually, like for breakfast, I'll do just blueberries in coconut milk sometimes. Maybe I'll do that one sometime too. But kind of a really simple idea for a very tasty treat that realistically shouldn't be that unhealthy, but still really good. I hope you guys find this interesting and informative, and thanks for watching the video.